Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another Java tutorial. In this video we are going to be going over polymorphism. So I'll get started very quickly. I have a very good example to learn polymorphism. So I have my main class right here. So I'm going to create ourselves three more classes. Right. The first one we're going to name is just animal. Right. Then we're going to create another one. We'll name this, say, dog. And then I'll create one more and we'll name it cat. So we have ourselves four classes. We have the main, animal, cat and dog. Now in the animal class, what we're going to do is we're going to create ourselves just a method. And the method could be something like, we'll do public void and we'll give a name. We'll do sound, for example. And then we will print out no sound, right? Or we'll do some better. This animal makes no sound, for example, right? Now in the dog and the cat, we're going to extend, right? We're going to extend the animal class like this, right? Extend animal and extend, and the same thing with the cat. Extends animal, right? And we can save that. And now in these classes, what we're going to do is we're going to create the same class or the same method called sound that we have created in our animal class. See, we have a method called sound. We'll do the exact same thing in the dog and in the cat, and then we'll just give a statement, and then we'll go woof for the dog, and then for the cat we'll do the exact same thing. So public void sound, and we'll do the exact same thing. We'll do meow. Right, so we have ourselves the three classes. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to create ourselves three objects. So the first one, we're going to do animal, and then I'll just do animal is equal to new animal. And we'll do the exact same thing for the cat. Right? And we'll do the exact same thing for the dog. It's equal to new dog. So we made ourselves the three objects. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call every single one of those objects that we made. So we're going to call the animal object, and I want him to call the method sound that we made. Same thing with the cat. So cat dot sound, and then we'll do the same thing with dog dot sound. Now if we run this, you can see that because we made an object from animal and we called the sound, we'll print out this animal makes no sound because it's this one here. And then we called cat sound, it returns meow, and then we called this to return woof. Now we're going to change this up now a little bit. And what I mean by that is, the way this works really, right, is we made ourselves an object of cat, and then we called the method sound. Now if our cat class does not have the method sound, it will then go to the animal class and it will call that method. So let's say in the animal class we have a method, and the method is something like do public void, and we'll do something like fly, right? Fly, and then we'll do sys out, right? And then we'll do this animal cannot fly, right? Now in the dog and the cat, let's just pretend that a cat can fly. All right, we're going to pretend. So we're going to do public void fly, and we'll print out the cat can fly, and that's all we're going to do. Now you can see we don't have that in the dog because the dog cannot fly, but in our world, a cat can't fly. Let's just go with it. So what's going to happen now is, so instead of us calling, so I'm going to remove this animal, right? Now instead of us calling the sound, I'm going to call the fly. And we're going to do the exact same thing for the dog. The fly. Now in our magical world, a cat can fly and a dog can't fly. So now what happens when I run this is you can see the cat can fly, and then for the dog, this animal cannot fly. So the way this works is, if we have a cat, right, and if we call the dot fly, it will check, well, can this animal fly? If we do have a method, okay, that's good. We can print this method out, and there's no need for us to go to the animal class to call this method. But then you can see in the dog one that we have, we call the dog.fly, but dog cannot fly, right? Because we don't have that method in here. That means we will go to the animal class here, and then we will call this method here. So that's the way that polymorphism works. I hope this example is pretty easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.